We all know AI is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. But here is the mistake 99% of people are making. They are trying to find gold by building AI agencies or writing prompts. But history tells us the real money isn't in digging for gold, it's in selling the shovels. In 1849, Levi Strauss got rich selling genes to miners. Today, the shovels are the chips, processors, and infrastructure powering AI. In this video, we are looking at the Rebel AI formula, specifically what they actually teach you in their 3-day sprint to tap into this $3.6 trillion market without becoming a tech wizard. The biggest claim Sin Donahoe makes is that you don't need the market to go off to make money. Look at this graphic. The Rebel system targets a 50% profit whether the market is bullish, bearish, or sideways. This is called the rolling income basket. Instead of betting everything on one stock like NVIDIA, you create a basket of trades. Week 1, you scan a specific watch list, which takes about 20 minutes. Week 2, you set your profit packages. Week 3, as trades hit their 50% target, they close automatically and cash lands in your account. It's designed to be a flywheel. Once it's spinning, you have payouts landing on different days, creating a consistent income stream rather than a one time lottery win. Now, if this sounds like a skill you want to master, you need to know about the current launch offer. Usually, training like this costs over $2,000, but right now, for the launch of the 3-day sprint, you can grab at a seat for just $29. If you want to lock in that 96% discount before the timer hits zero, I have put the official link in the description below. Go check it out. And here is the best part. If you purchase from my link, I'm going to provide you with free bonuses. In order to get those bonuses, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I'll send you the bonus immediately. But first, let me show you exactly what you learn on day 1, 2, and 3. So, what are you actually buying? Day 1 is the foundation. Sean reveals the one skill and sets up the tools. This is where you learn how to identify picks and shovels, stocks I mentioned earlier. Day 2 is the trigger pattern. This is arguably the most valuable day. He teaches you the exact 30-minute pattern that signals when to enter a trade. He also introduces risk reduction, so you know your maximum loss before you even click buy. Day 3 is the automatic close. This is about lifestyle. He teaches you how to set up your trades so they close to cash automatically. This means you are not glued to your screen stressing over every ticker movement. Does the syllabus actually work? This heat map shows real strategy results from 2022 to 2025. Green means profit. You can see it's not perfect. There are red modes. But the sea of green shows that the rolling basket method works consistently over time even though market crashes. The syllabus looks solid and the math checks out. But you might still be wondering, is this 84% win rate actually realistic for a beginner or is it just marketing hype? I actually did a full raw investigation into those claims in my previous video. If you want to see my unfiltered, legit or hype breakdown where I analyze the pros and cons in detail, click the video flashing on your screen right now. I'll see you over there.